What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I gotta make this video quick, but we did finally get that pullback that I was waiting for. I didn't know exactly when it was gonna happen, but I was pretty confident we would get a pullback. So this is the NASDAQ futures chart, and I've had this line on my chart for a while. I knew that was a possible area that price would come down to. This orange line also, I didn't know if that would hold or not, if we broke those EMAs, and the orange one did not hold. And this blue one might have been a different color in a previous video, but it was the same line. I changed a few things up to try to make things cleaner looking. But that blue line, we got a lot of buyers stepping in there on that blue trend line and that red support line there. So I'm kind of expecting this red path to play out. We had a lot of people stepping in to buy there, lots of buying pressure. I don't think we're going to break below this low at 22.7 or 22.8 on NASDAQ, but you never know. Don't count it out, but with that much buying pressure, I think we might come down just a little bit lower than where we are now and then work our way back up. So that's what I'm looking for there. And like I said, it doesn't have to happen that way, so don't just YOLO into some huge positions or anything based on what I say. And you look at the NASDAQ chart, this is the daily chart, same thing. We got the pullback, lots of buyers stepping in on that 50-day moving average right there, that white dotted line. And I thought we might come down to this fair value gap right below 110,000, and that is possible because there's a lot of liquidity sitting down there, but it may do like the NASDAQ. So the NASDAQ and Bitcoin, they may both just bounce from where they are now, you know, maybe bounce around this area a little bit and then continue up. That's what I'm hoping for. But if NASDAQ drops a little lower, then I expect Bitcoin to drop down to 110 or just below 110 to get liquidity. And also Ethereum, same thing. You know, we should move up from here over the next few days, but if not, we could tap this fair value gap that I had drawn here. I don't think we're going to drop back to like 2,700 down here, but it's possible. But for now, I'm just patiently waiting, and I'm just consistently dollar cost averaging into my positions as I'm able to. So if we get a further pullback, that's another buying opportunity for me. Not financial advice, but that's what I'm doing.